Today I'm going to show you how to do a painting of a simple ant. First, let me show you the materials that I use. I'm going to use this set of metallic watercolors. It will look interesting. Okay, let's open this box. And it came with this water brush. The paper I'm going to use is the Artisa watercolor book. It came with 2 packs. I will have the link in the video descriptions. I'm going to put my paints on this side. I'm going to open all the wrappers. Now all the wrappers are already removed. Look at those colors. It's sparkling. Looks very interesting. I cannot wait to use them. Now I'm going to put it back in the middle over here. This is good. Now we're ready to do some artwork. I already filled in the water in this water brush. I can open it. I can squeeze some water come out like this. You see the water? Now we can use the color and paint. We're gonna paint 2 antennae and the front over here, and the head over here and the neck, and then the last big part of the body over here. So first I'm gonna use just a little light color. Which color? I'm gonna use this a little bit gray color. Here you go. Now here I'm gonna think about the head over here and the neck. So just mark a little place, and then the big part of the body over here. Now it's good. Now we know the location of those. Now we can paint the big shape. Now what I'm going to do for the big shape, now I'm going to use this color for the head. Nice. Here you go. Take a look at it, and that looks good. I'm gonna with this. Here you go. Like this. That's the head. And I'm gonna have even a little more of this color for the mouth. Like that. That looks good. Now I'm gonna paint the neck. The neck like this, and the second part of the neck connected like this. That's good. Now I'm gonna get a little dark color. So I'm gonna get this. Let's get this color first. It looks like a little bit gray. And let's see. I'm gonna put this. Ooh, I really like this color. Like that. And at the bottom, I'm gonna have a little bit darker, like have a little shadow. I'm gonna have this really dark color, the darkest color in the palette. Now, looks nice. Like that. Now at the bottom. And also, I'm gonna have this color on the top over here. Like that, a little bit on the top. Now that's good. I'm going to put the leg. I'm gonna take this color. Maybe I'm gonna mix this color with the black color together. Here you go. The front leg. This a little bit, the leg like over here. And one, push it in down a little bit, and then up, and then put a little bit. I'm going to stop here, and on here I'm going to push that over here, that coming down like that, and down a little bit. I'm going to stop here, and I'm going to tell you why. On this side I'm going to show a little bit of that, and on the other side show a little bit like this, because the color would change. So now here I'm gonna coming up like that. Nice. This is the one big leg, and coming down over here like that. I'm gonna have a little bit darker color. Coming down over here. I'm gonna just use the water to wash away the color on the brush. I'm gonna come back with this with some gold color like this. And I'm gonna connect and a little smaller, and here you go, like that. That's nice. I'm gonna paint it over here and coming over here. Now I want to use some yellow color. Look at this metallic gold yellow color, and then connect that and get a little bit darker at the end like that, and have some this warm color with the gold. Here you go. I'm going to continue over here, can paint it on the top of this color, and here you go, like that. And I'm going to connecting into this leg, connect that over here. I'm going to add this color. This watercolor actually a little opaque. It's quite opaque. Actually, this is good. You can put it on the top. You can change this later. And now I'm going to have a little connector in here that is connected to the body, this part. Okay, that's good. I'm going to have a little more color. The metallic color really looks good. And that's just a little bit darker. And take a look at the head. I'm going to do one more down here. Okay, now I'm going to working on the antenna. So I'm going to use a little bit darker color like this first. And here you go. Start over here. One part first. This part. Stop. And I'm going to have something over here. That. And kind of stop and work and stop and work. And I'm going to add a little bit more red color when it comes closer. Like that. Now I'm going to wash my brush. Just going to get the yellow color. An even brighter yellow color. Look at that. Nice. I'm going to have this connected into that. Okay. That looks good. And I'm on the other side. I'm going to just take the gray color because that's a little bit away in the distance. Right? So here you go. Like that. I even make it a little bit lighter. Just add some water. Here you go. Now connect to the head. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to paint the eye. Just get some dark color. And if you're following me, you please pause the video. Okay? So do one step first, and before you come back to catch up with me on the next step. Make the face a little bit round. Like that. That's good. Now I'm going to put the cast shadow. So I'm going to take this a little bit gray color with quite a bit of water. Let's see. And just paint over here. I'm going to first squeeze a little bit water coming out. Here you go. Like this. Some cast shadow. If it's too much, you can just lift it up. Okay. And add a little bit darker color. It come out very nice. Now it make the whole thing a little bit darker, so I also add extend it, have the catch the shadow for the leg like that, and make the edge a little bit softer. If it's too dark, you can use a tissue. Come here to dry the brush here. And now lift up the color. I like to use the brush to lift up the color instead of using the paper tissue. I'm going to use this color. This more like a very light green color. As you go. And what I am going to do, I'm going to draw a little light line. And there's another side right over here. Like that. Connected to that. Now the painting is finished. Let's take a look at that. Ooh. Now it's your turn. You can use whatever paint that you have to do the painting. And also in the comment, please tell me what you would like to paint next. What is your favorite animal? See you next time.